always do that just in case.
We are on our way to Carmike to see the premiere of the season, not the premiere, the finale of The Walking Dead. The season 8 finale of The Walking Dead, and I must say, it is going to be fun. It's funny, kind of unique that they're doing that in the theater. They've probably done it before, but we don't know what it looks like on a theater. So it's going to be quite interesting to see.
It is. Job and I have wanted to see a Walking Dead film since season 1. Well, Job's wanted to see since season 1. I didn't know about it until, I believe, the season 2 pretty much dead already. With Shane, that was my first, actual full episode. And what I wanted to start off on, there's a lot of traffic these people must be going to.
We are going to Carmike in Plainfield. If you guys don't know where it is, it's the shops at Perry Crossing in Plainfield, Indiana. So we'll be long gone by the time you guys try and find us and murder us, but, well, we have the bats, so if you come after us, you're going to die. Anyway, we have this nice, beautiful sunset driving at 7:43 p.m. currently, Eastern Daylight Time. It's not going to be daylight soon. So, the sun is blinding me to death. Here we are. We look the same. Well, we both got the thumbnail. So we're driving to Carmike. It's been a fun day so far doing what we did. Now we're going to, well, we're going to Carmike's, and I must say Carmike's is just a lovely place to be. It has a lot of good memories. I've seen probably about 30-ish movies there, 30 or 40 in my lifetime, and now they're playing The Walking Dead. And I don't know what the quality is going to be like, but I assume it's going to be amazing because, you know, I've never seen Walking Dead in a movie theater.
Job, tell them about your earliest memory of The Walking Dead.
Well, my earliest memory of The Walking Dead was, I remember watching the first episode, and actually my dad told me, he said, there's this new thing coming on TV, Job, The Walking Dead, and it looks awesome. That's how he enunciates stuff. And he's like, yeah, this looks really cool. And I'm like, zombie? Yeah, I like it. So, first episode came out, and I was, good gosh, I was like 10 or 11 or, oh my gosh.
It's 55 here.
That is. So,
oh.
Yeah, I was like 10 or 11 years old when I first watched The Walking Dead. So, yeah. What was your earliest memory?
My earliest memory of The Walking Dead was season 2, episode 7. Pretty much dead already. A lot of people's favorite episode, like the most action-packed episode that I can remember, besides Guts. But everyone was watching it, KK, dying grandma, in the front room of their house. And this was back in 2011. And I was so excited because you and I went to the church.
Yeah.
Party that night. That church right there.
Yeah, that one actually right there. Yeah, that one
right there. Valley Mills Christian Church. And we met Ashley and Devin, and I believe one of them was Justin. And I call them the DOC, D-O-C, Disciples of Christ, is how I refer to them now when I remember those days.
The DOC.
And we talked about that, what was it? Devin told me, you guys shouldn't be watching that sinning stuff, bro. He was really cool, though, and he gave Joe his Bible.
Yeah, and it was ripped, and I still have it. It's ripped and tattered on the edges because it's so old, and it was when he gave it to me. Really cool stuff. Memories of The Walking Dead they're huge, and yeah.
And we're clearly driving to AMC Carmike. So apparently that's what it's called, is AMC. I had no idea.
Owned by AMC now, recently,
they
about
are?
6 months, yeah.
What?
Yeah, AMC thing, which I'm worried because when we saw Assassin's Creed, they have the cut-off screen with the black bars, and I don't really like that because it ruins the cinema experience for me, at least for me.
I think the black bars on the side from the curtains are enough.
Yeah.
But when you're watching it on a TV, a big screen, it's okay, I guess. I mean, a lot of people like to zoom in, but you're like you and Diane arguing. Like, do you know what you're doing to the picture? Did I forget my clone? I got it.
That's creepy. We're on our way. We're almost there. hopefully you guys like the editing of this. I don't know how it's going to go, but just the cuts of showing our progression of our drive is very fun and relaxing. So, and look at that sky. It is like
old. He's riding his brake. Look, he's riding it. No wonder you are disabled. You don't know how to drive. I'm a better driver than you. You're ancient. You were riding during the Model T. You should be experienced. Who am I missing? Hits the brake. Oh.
This guy is, look, I'm not going to get his license plate. I'm going to keep it blurry so you can't read it, but this guy is riding his brake
for the last half mile. And he's turning into a dead end. Because he's going to be dead soon. Oh, God, I thought they would.
Wow. What do you got to say about this driving experience?
I've got to say that man's going to die soon. Because I'm going to, well, you know. I don't trust that old guy either. Oh, my God. I could not believe that old guy, though. That old guy is probably still back there. I gotta watch out around here because there's like 3 policemen. So we are about, I'd say, 5 minutes away. So we're gonna miss part of the, because I'm going the speed limit like these people. But Job and I are gonna miss part of it, the special features if they even have it. But they did say they were at participating theaters. I'm excited beyond. I've been messaging Joe every time he comes up.
Yeah, we've been talking on Hangouts a lot, and we're excited to see how this is going to go. I want to hear I've never heard the audio. Oh my gosh! And I wonder how the commercials are going to work too.
Yes, we're going to get done faster if they don't have it.
Yeah, it might fit. I don't know. I'm very curious. The most exciting thing is seeing how this is all going to work out.
Yes.
Hearing the audio for one.
The quality.
My hand just got really focused. That's creepy. Audio for one, hearing Negan go, and it just booms in your freaking face. And then the quality. I want to see what the grain looks like on the screen. I want to see the behind the scenes, and I want to see how many people dress up, if anyone, like us, and I want to see people's reactions. So those are things I'm looking for.
God. Oh, I'm going to try and wrap it up. So, I already told Joe, it doesn't matter if you like the show or not. This is only one opportunity. And the finale, when they have the actual series finale. The one opportunity. Whether you like the show now or not, you're never going to get another chance at this. To see it in a movie theater. This episode and the Fear premiere, that rhymed. You're never going to get another chance to see them in a movie theater.
So it's best to do it and
whether you
live
like
the
it or not,
experience.
yeah. Sorry, Joe. Keep going. It's best to do it.
So yeah, it's a fun experience, and I think everyone should do it because who could watch a TV show? How many people can say they watched one of their favorite TV shows in a movie theater? Let alone 2 back-to-back episodes, which is really cool. I wonder how they're going to do that. I really wonder how they're going to do that. You guys see that blue over there? It says Carmike's. That's the theater we're at. We have arrived. And it's funny, I said we'll be there at the theater shortly, and I literally started recording 30 seconds later, so it wasn't much of a transition. You guys didn't miss much of a drive. But here we are with the sun setting. Oh my gosh!
Right over it. It's
that
God.
Camera.
That is God right there.
That is God saying, go watch The Walking Dead and eat food. So we are here, and we are turning. There it is, Perry Crossing. In Danville, in Plainfield.
So if you want to murder us, you can murder us right
if you
now.
want to murder us.
Oh my God. Job's birthday part of his birthday present. He's been waiting
thanks again.
a month for this.
Town Square. We're in Perry Crossing. There's the theater's huge. Now, I don't know how many people are going to be here, but we got to remember that people are just coming here to see movies too, not The Walking Dead. So some people might look at somebody and be like, what are these dudes doing? And the people that are actually going to watch The Walking Dead are going to be like, wow.
You look like Rick.
You look like Rick. You look like Carl.
Yes. You look like Carol. Wait, what?
You look like Simon.
That'd be hilarious. I would die.
So there's the Big D experience.
The Big D.
Notice it's green. And here we are.
Oh my God. What if those were all it's empty. Well, no, it's not. But it's packed. They have to be The Walking Dead. Okay, Grandma and Diane might have been right. They might be packed for The Walking Dead and KK. I might have been just an arrogant little shithead. Because I was like, no, nobody knew. There's no stop sign, sir. You do not honk. He's about ready to. Unless there was one.
So we're here.
It's the Death Star from Rogue One just launched
It
up.
just launched and we're gonna die, so we didn't make it to the premiere. But
Oh shit, it's coming.
What? Yeah. Here it is. There it is. It's big.
Watch, this isn't the right theater.
I would cry. I would be sad. I wouldn't cry, but honestly, I'd be sad if
I'd be PO'd. There it is. Look at that. Survival Sunday. Look at that. Alright, we're going in. So, Job had a very good birthday present.
That was fun, thanks.
And tell him about the people clapping.
Oh my gosh. There were countless times during the episodes where people went nuts, and spoiler alert, because it's already out and the show just aired. So, I mean, people might be a little bit behind because they had no commercials in there.
Yeah!
It was constant, the whole thing, no breaks or anything, but first crowd reaction was, okay, so Rick and his crew get ambushed by Negan, and Negan's like, ha ha ha, I'm gonna kill you. And then all of a sudden they all pull the triggers and the guns blow up in their faces, and Eugene actually sabotaged the weapons and was actually on, believe it or not, I don't know if he was or not because Eugene's a coward in this season, but he was on Rick's side and blew up the guns, and then his hand got hurt, and then Negan's hand got hurt, and then Rick and Negan had a huge battle, and then, like in the comics, exactly the same. Even like when he woke up in the bed, Negan, just like the comics, Rick slashed his throat with a piece of glass.
Oh man!
And he's like, he said something. He said, and then he fell over, and he's like, Rick's like, save him. Crowd reaction, people went nuts. And
yes.
Some people were like, I heard some guy go, finally.
Job's got a limited edition poster. Well, he doesn't have just one; he has 4.
Yeah. So you get these select theaters that you go to. So these are limited edition Survival Sunday, The Walking Dead, Fear the Walking Dead crossover. There's more discussion to come. I haven't even watched the Fear the Walking Dead. But that was a really good episode. Really, really, really good.